Today I'm going to tell you how to find the key of any audio sample. So first thing you want to do is bring up the sample and bring up a spectrum audio effect. And then we're going to go and take the spectrum to its maximum screen. We have to make sure that we select the highest block. We select a very fast refresh rate. The fastest you can go is 40 milliseconds. And here we're just going to go average of 8. And we're going to select line, max, log, and auto. So now let's just play it, and we're going to press pause after we played it. Okay, so this is now showing you the average notes. Now, if you actually click here on the peak, you can actually see what the note is. So you can see that's F sharp, and this one here is A sharp and C sharp. A sharp can also be called B flat, and C sharp can also be called D flat. Then you have a F, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp again, F sharp. So you're just looking for those peaks. You know what all the key notes are in your sample, which is a really good start. You can take that to the next level. So just go to this website called scalechords.com and just key in the notes that you have found, which I've just done now: A sharp, F, G sharp, C sharp, and F. And then you click identify chord. And then it shows you all of the chord names that it can be, but it starts with the most obvious one. In this case here, it's either C sharp 6 or A sharp minor 7th, or actually in this case, it's B flat minor 7th. So now if you actually go into the chord and click on piano, you can actually hear how the chord actually sounds. So let's just do it this way. Let's compare it to the actual sample. I think that's pretty close.